Hi, this is Therese. Hi, this is Therese. I'm here in the car wash for the first time. Bellagio Car Wash. Here we are. This is the first time I've been in the car wash inside the car versus the original car wash, where everybody gets out of the car and then we have to go down this hallway or something like that and watch our car being washed.
That's right.
Yep.
Look at the colors they change.
So this is what it looks like when people, like, let's say Honda Car Wash, for example. I like to watch those videos. The difference between a Honda Car Wash and just regular like this, people scare the crap out of you and stuff like that during the car wash.
Oh, look at it!
Oh, look at this! This is so cool. I'm sorry, I'm all like, whoa! Oh my God! It looks like a person. Hey! When I try a Honda Car Wash, I don't think so. I mean, I don't think it's cool for people to get in the car and stuff like that and then scare the crap out of me, get right in my face and stuff like that versus like Halloween Horror Nights or something like, oh, that's a, oh, look at that. I'm in the Eastward branch of Bellagio Car Wash, so look at that.
Shine wax.
Okay.
Oh, we're getting the wax.
Ooh la la. Ooh Lord. Ooh, look at that light. Oh wait. We'll stay here. Ooh la la.
It's like an octopus's
Yeah, I know.
huge noodles or something.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that look. Okay. The coating. That's it? Okay. Let's go. Okay. Rain, rain, let it rain. So cool. Ooh,
Didn't you pump it up?
no, it doesn't. Ooh, look at
That's
that.
drying.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Ooh, look at that. Hey. Ooh, Lord. There's
Tire
a,
shine. Because we have the tire shine feature.
okay.
Shaky, shaky. Oh, it's got the leaves and everything.
I gotta get my car in here too, man. Freaking like spider webs in the window with my mirror. I gotta get that. Okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Until my next video, whenever that is. Peace out. Bye.